Hello, and welcome to the EDS Client Tutorial 8. In this tutorial, we will talk about the models. Left-click on a model from the models list and right-click to display the models menu. Select the dashboard option from the menu. The model dashboard presents the model's current measurements with measuring units. It also shows for each variable the user and statistical limits. If a variable is outside of the statistical limits, the variable's background color will be yellow. If the variable is outside of the user limits, the variable's background color will be red. Thank you, we hope this tutorial was helpful and clear. For more details, please go to our website.